Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to permanently disable or enable Windows Defender on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. And if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and leave a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get straight into it. What we're going to do is actually come down to the search bar down here. And then what we want to do is just come across to our settings. So we're just going to go ahead and type that in and open up our settings. And then what you want to do is click onto the one that says update and security. So it depends what version of Windows 10 you have, but on the newer versions, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, there should be an option here which says Windows Security. On the slightly older version of Windows 10 it does say something like Virus and Threat Protection. But basically what you want to do is give that a click. And you'll see what's going to happen is it's going to give you some options. And what you need to do from here is actually click onto Virus and Threat Protection. And it's going to load up a new app. And if you actually scroll down the page slightly, you need to just scroll down until you get to where it says Virus and Threat Protection Settings, and then you want to go ahead and click on Manage Settings. And you can see at the moment I've got a message saying you're using other antivirus providers. So because I've got AVG, which is another antivirus software installed, naturally what's going to happen, this turns off Windows Defender. So if you do have another antivirus software installed, that's absolutely fine. That will should actually disable Windows Defender. But if you're currently using Windows Defender, what's going to happen is if you come down here, you've got the option switch it off. But what's going to happen is when you do this, it's only going to switch off for a short period of time. So when you click switch it off, it's going to switch off for a little bit and then it's going to turn back on. But there is a way to turn this off permanently, and what you need to do is actually download two files, which I will leave in the video description down below. Once you've actually downloaded them, you've got one to turn it on and one to turn it off. And what I'd recommend doing is making a folder like I've done here called Windows Defender. And you can see there's two. So you've got one which says turn off and one which says turn on. As I say, I'll leave the links to these in the video description below. So you just need to click those to download. But they're perfectly safe. All you need to do is literally double click which one you want to do. So for example, this one to turn on. And then you click run, and then it should come up with a permission. So you just accept the permission and then you click yes, and you'll see this kind of overrides the file in the registry. And once you've done that, that's going to actually turn the Defender antivirus on permanently. And it's the same, if you want to turn it off, you just need to go ahead and click this one. Obviously click run and do the permission, do the exact same thing, and that will turn it off. So if you want to turn it on, you double click this one. If you want to turn it off, double click that one. They will be labelled once you download them, but that's how you do it so it stays off permanently. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.